guys, Kills Vlogs here. Right, no, I'm gonna stop saying right now. So, now we are gonna do the fireworks. That's what this video is here for. And the reason why I'm filming in the bathroom is because nowhere else here is quiet. Okay guys, so we're walking down here. I haven't really vlogged this place yet, but we're going down to the beach to watch the fireworks. Right here, there's my little brother. Finally, we're at the beach, about ready to watch the fireworks. My brother, Bronson, caught a crab. Hey, this is a cool thing to vlog about. It's a crab.
Oh, is he just...
I caught another one.
Nice. Is he just digging in there?
Ah! He keeps getting you.
He's gonna dig in the ground. Yep, there he goes.
Don't flick it towards me.
Trying to get away.
Yeah, but we don't want
let him get away.
That thing is scared to death.
Don't let it pinch you.
Let it get away. This one's got.
You can do it, Bronson.
There we go. Another one.
Wow, he just caught another one.
Yep.
He's got another one.
Another one.
Wow, he's happy.
These are all different ones. Just so you know. Wait, is this the one with no hands?
Bronson, and that's what you find on
Yeah, this is the one from earlier, from like 3 hours ago. I got the same one.
Did you tag him?
No, he's got no claws.
Oh, alright.
Whoa, he's trying to attack
He can't
me.
do anything.
He literally can't do anything.
He can't do anything. Have this. Have it. Have it. He doesn't have
I'll have it.
Hey, when you can catch a sea bass, come
Bronson.
This is cool. I'm going to be vlogging about this before the fireworks come.
Two crabs. Bronson. What? The next one you see, let me catch it. Catch another. Get the other net. I don't know what it is.
Oh, just a few seconds later, he caught another one. Whoa, I saw a big flash over there.
It's like just goes in the water.
I'm gonna get over here.
Beautiful.
I mean, you got another one.
Another one.
Oh wait, he has two.
Orange or black?
You got two?
Orange.
Oh, he got two. I think.
I'm blue if you're
Nope,
not.
one.
Blue, you're
I
black.
can handle sand fleas, but not with sand. I just got bit by something.
He's like never.
Did it hurt?
Oh, he's grabbing on.
No, bugs.
He's pinching you.
I'm giving you some light.
You're also scaring him a bit. Yeah, he probably doesn't like that.
Doing a glow stick.
Getting a glow stick.
Club Kid USA.
He got another one. Wow. This is a great time for crab catching. Tide's coming in. Wow. He just keeps catching them. He's been doing this all night. He's been doing this all night. Seriously. Over there are people with sparklers. But let's go see the crab. Hey, what kind of crab is it?
Oh, he's a nice one.
He's angry. He got another. Literally how amazing my little brother is. He's gonna catch another one. Ah!
Another one. He's gonna get another one.
This might be a crab catching video, I don't know. But he got another one.
Wow.
Did you?
Small.
Yeah, I'm...
How do you find these things?
They usually come out at night. Whoa, the fireworks are starting! Fireworks! I don't know if my camera will focus. They're over there, I just saw one. I don't know, people with sparklers right here. But I'll get back to you later. Really need to be looking out for this tide right now. Here's the... That one's coming in. A lot of waves. That's the direction it's coming in. My shoes right here, so I could wade in the water a little bit. It's beautiful out here. Real sand from the ocean. Because this is an ocean. Still waiting for fireworks. He's crab hunting right here. Guys, the water is so warm right now. The wave can roll over me right now. So warm. Super warm. Whoa, there's some fireworks! Yay, it's starting! It's starting!
Yay! Oh.
Stuck in Zoom. This is what we came here. Are there any more? They letting any more?
Yeah. It's gonna be more.
Probably not. More! Zoom! Yay, they're shooting some more. They're gonna shoot some that explode. Are they? I don't know. We're out here on the beach. Hopefully they're lighting something. Water. It's so warm actually, even though it's 9 o'clock at night. Oh, big wave! The water's so warm. Cape Cod. So beautiful. So, see you when more fireworks come. Ah! Stop it! The stupid notifications, but there's one more. And it failed. No. Ah, I'm missing fireworks! 6 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock here. Nine o'clock at night. There's more over here. Hey. There's some way down there. But I want more over here. That's cool. Hey, that's Lincoln. Hey. I hear some more fireworks way down there, though. That's cool. Everybody's out here on the beach. Everybody's out here.
The water's coming up.
More. There are fireworks lighting off? No. I just missed one. Wait, there's another one, I think. Explode. Oh, I think that's just an airplane. I really don't want to be dragged out into the ocean. So nice. Oh, there's some over there. Ah, I'm wet. I'm so wet.
You almost stepped on a crab.
I almost stepped on a crab. I almost stepped on a crab. What? I almost stepped on that. 2 crabs, actually. 2 crabs I almost stepped on. Because I was just being stupid. 2 crabs.
They had one fly over the beach thing for like
Beautiful. Oh, I heard some more. See you in a bit, guys. Lighting some. It's kind of hard to see. We're not as close as we want. We're out on the beach. Wait, are those a lot of planes? Look at that. Look at all those red. I think those are planes. Lanterns or whatever.
No, Rex, Aaron!
Okay, this is firing up. We're going to see him right here, everybody.
Aaron!
Just trying to stand away from crabs.
Get down.
Is that a crab? That's a good shell.
Aaron's getting down.
Aaron's.
I don't know, this is too close. But there was more fireworks, yay! Ow! What did I just step on? Oh, seashells. So beautiful.
This video going on YouTube.
Yeah, this will be going on
Can you follow me on Instagram, Jack Sports 9. Go follow me.
Okay, go follow him.
Yeah, bro.
Yep. Maybe at the end of the video, you can say it again. I'm not gonna remember that. These things in the ocean. Some of these in the ocean. In the ocean now. Those are all lanterns or something out there. Trying to be aware of crabs. They're everywhere here. Wait, found one. There's a crab. See? They're all over this beach.
Looking down at all this?
Trying to...
All over the country?
I have to look at 5 different things at the same time. There's fireworks way down there. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I'll see you guys later. Just stand aware from crabs. More fireworks, yay! Don't want to fall over. Right here. So beautiful. Oh yeah, there's some way off there. See that light? That's way out in the ocean. Oh, that flip-flop scared me. Scared me. Is there any more? They're lighting up some way down there, though. Don't want to fall over. Don't want to... Seeing if there's any crabs. I heard something go boom. I'm looking for fireworks, but also watching for crabs. More fireworks! That's Nature Life. Go subscribe to her. Wait, she doesn't have a channel yet. In the future, go subscribe to Nature Life. More fireworks way down there. I don't know. Yep, way down there. That's out in the ocean. That's Lainey over there. Nature Life. More fireworks. Where is it? Okay, guys, we got more fireworks. Whoa. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. This is as far as it can go. This is cool. There's like fireworks all over the place. People with sprinklers running around. More. Sparklers. People with sparklers. Yay. More fireworks way up there. See you guys when there's actually more fireworks for show. But other than that, I'm having a great time. I just heard one. I don't know. But I think this is all the time for the fireworks. But I'll try to film some more. I don't know. So, yep. They just set off a lantern right over there. So there it goes. That's something interesting. flying up. I don't know, this is my first 4th of July here, so I don't know what to do. I don't know where the fireworks are coming from. I just saw some. Oh, I just saw some. Woo! Fireworks. Wearing crabs. Ow. Stepped on one. I'll film the finale, okay guys? So, see you when something good happens. So, yeah. Setting off lanterns down there. They're doing lanterns. Way off the beach. Wait, is that a crab? Nope, it's not. They're about to light them off. They're really cool, so see you. Yeah, more fireworks going on, but I want to see. What was that? Whoa, this is awesome! Never mind about the lanterns. They're shooting fireworks right here. I can just lie on the beach. I'm lying on the beach. Just lying on the beach here. The best fireworks yet. Yay. Gang, 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 gang.
Wait, you ready? Wait, don't put this in the vlog, because I'll get...
Hold on, I'm filming right now.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow, that's so cool. There's a lot of things going on right now. A lot of things flying on the ground. Turn off flash. Look at these. They're tiny bits that fell on the ground. This is so cool. This is the beach. This is the best fireworks.
Ever.
Yeah. Are there any more?
Oh, there's gonna be tons.
That's so cool. It's like things. Trying to film this. Right over my head. Right over my head. That's awesome. A lot of things. These bits are like fireworks. Oh, more. They fly right over our heads.
That's gonna be cool. Right here. Oh, that's no, that's the view. Oh, no, you're right there.
Yeah. Try not to get sand in my phone.
Balloon lighting up. Oh, I got it.
There's this like green stuff right here. This is so cool. There any more?
What's that? No, I saw, dude, I'm walking back.
My arm hurts though. I don't know if you guys can see me. I turned the flash off. But these things are little droplets of fireworks. Put one in my hand. This is in my hand. It's kind of hot. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so it's back on. More fireworks. One just boomed and I accidentally took a picture instead of a video. How stupid am I? You look stupid. So they're shooting more over that way. So nice. They're shooting right here. But I'll see you when there's more fireworks like right here. So yeah. They're lighting off more. Right over our heads. They're doing it like way over there. Yeah, I'm recording a video. YouTube. I don't know if there's more. That was cool. They're shooting. Whoa! This is awesome! Okay. I don't see any. Are they gonna shoot any? I don't know. Whoa! They're about to shoot one! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, they're about to shoot one off. Right over there. They're not shooting any off right now. They're firing! Oh! A Roman candle! From the balcony, right here. So cool! I don't know if you guys can see this, but probably. They can shoot more. I'm having a good time. I'm having a really good time. Gonna make part 2 soon, maybe part 2. I don't know. It takes so long to upload videos here. Oh, they're filming! Right onto our heads. Beach is right here. Turn on beach. So nice. Roman candle, yay!
Oh, they're coming out of a rod.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah.
That's what we do for 4th of July all the time. When we...
I didn't know they came out of rods.
That's sometimes. That's some fireworks. They're shooting a lot of fireworks. This is nice.
I wish those one had.
That was a dud.
They're about to shoot one from here. Ow! Here we go. I think it's over. More! Yay! They're shooting it from way over there. So I'm gonna change it to Kills Vlogs, but it's the Awesome Gamer 15 right now. So I used to have a gaming channel, but now I don't do gaming. More fireworks.
Do you like vlogs?
Yeah, I like making vlogs. That's another hotel's fireworks, but it's cool. That's my little sister, Lainey. She wants to be called Nature Vlogs when she grows up and becomes a YouTuber. And that fireworks is from an island way down there. Out in the middle of the ocean. Ow. Stepped on nothing! Again!
I know.
There's like things, sparklers, or whatever. Yay! Whoa! More fireworks. We're just about to leave the beach. That's way far away fireworks. See those sparkling lights? That's fireworks. And firefight! My little brother versus somebody else. Don't run over me! No! Whoa! Fireworks! Whoa! Okay, I'm getting chased by kids with fire, so that's not looking good. Just don't like getting lit on fire. It's a beautiful 4th of July night. Beautiful. I think, oh, wait. I think that's been like all the fireworks from this beach, this hotel, but I'll end the vlog at the hotel. One more fireworks thing, yay, from over there. I think the fireworks are so pretty. So pretty. Here. But tomorrow I'm gonna have to do, like, I was thinking maybe a vlog of me on the beach and playing in the sand. Can't bring my phone in the water. We forgot the underwater camera thing in Washington, so we can't film underwater in the ocean. But maybe tomorrow I could film Bronson and Lincoln crab hunting tomorrow. More fireworks, that's cool. Ooh, it's their finale. So let's watch the finale as this video ends. It's high tide right now. Excuse me. What's that light? That's a boat or something? What is that? Whoa, what is that? I don't know. What is that light? Walking on the beach. My flip-flops. So, yeah. They're lighting fireworks up here. This is cool. How's that? That's really cool. Okay guys, so we're walking back up the stairs, the ending fireworks, but Lincoln is coming with me. We're going up to our room. That's my grandma and grandpa's room that I filmed the intro in. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the room. We're in. Okay, come on. Alrighty, we're back in our room. So guys, hold up one sec. Lincoln, do you have anything to say before this video ends?
I'm just saying, what? I'm going to say peace and, what was it? Okay, since he has nothing to say, I just gotta say, leave a like, comment down if you want to,
hit that big red subscribe button and tap the notification bell if you want to get notifications when I upload. It's a really cool thing. I do it with all my favorite YouTubers. So, with that being said, peace out.